Hey there, I am Hillary from Seattle Urban Farm Company, and at Seattle Urban Farm Company, we love gardens. We love creating gardens that are both beautiful and bountiful. And trellises are an essential element of any garden. They support the vining and top-heavy crops, and they provide an opportunity to add structure and beauty to the landscape. After years of creating and caring for edible gardens, we wanted a better trellis, so we made one. We're introducing the Freyr trellis. Our goal was to create the world's most versatile, durable, beautiful, and sustainable trellis. In other words, the best trellis. Many of the crops you love to grow in your garden benefit from trellising. Tall crops like tomatoes, and then vining crops like cucumbers, peas, and beans. And even top-heavy fruiting crops like peppers and eggplant can really benefit from a little extra support. You can use the Freyr trellis to support any of those crops I just mentioned, but you can also use it for crops like squash, melons, tomatillos. A variety of cut flowers work well with our string trellis system. So it's really a very versatile system. We found that many trellises are just too small or flimsy to support the full-size plants like tomatoes. So we made the Freyr trellis tall enough to support even the largest, most bountiful crops. And the best part, this guy can be set up in just a few minutes. It just screws together, it just takes a few minutes to put together. So how does it work? The trellis is modular, meaning that you can set it up at a variety of different heights and lengths depending on what works best for your garden and what you're planning to grow. The Freyr trellis utilizes string trellising techniques that are preferred by professional small-scale farmers. String trellising looks great and it makes it easier to prune and harvest your plants and makes end of the season cleanup a breeze. You just put up the trellis, throw some strings over it, use the compostable clips to secure your plants to the string, and that's it. No knots required. Or you can use the vertical posts to wrap string for a stake and weave or Florida weave kind of horizontal support method. Our trellises are made with powder-coated aluminum that won't rust and will provide years of productive use. Because the Freyr trellis is designed to utilize compostable string and compostable clips, all you have to do is just cut everything down at the end of the season and throw it in your compost. The Freyr trellis looks great with or without plants, so you can leave it up year-round and add structure and a pop of color to your garden. But if you do want to put it away, it's super easy to disassemble and store in a neat and tidy way at the end of the season. We hope you're as excited about the Freyr trellis as we are, and we'd love it if you'd follow along on our journey. We're going to be sharing a lot more about the trellis, how to use it, how to put it up, things like that on Instagram, which is at Seattle Urban Farm Co. Thanks for watching.